My name is Akachukwu Chinedu, and I'm here to teach my fellow kids how to make Igbo traditional bead, which is also known as aka. We want to start with this, our traditional neck bead. So this is the packet bead. It is sold at the price of 2,000 naira. You will have to follow my steps and make sure you add this bead till the rope is filled. Side of the neck bead that we are making. Every first side of this bead must be up to 24. Here. Look at these beads that looks like a snake vein, and look at this one. I am adding it to this bead because it's mostly worn by chiefs to signify their titles. So here we go. So here we are done with our neck bead. So watch the way we tie. One must always be careful with his or her tying, because when not tied properly, it could easily loose. Okay. We have gotten our neck bead. So let's move on to our hand bead. This is the sample, and I would like to let you know that every hand bead must not be more than 16 beads, because every hand is entitled to enter 16. So let's begin. You will need to continue adding this bead until it's up to 16. Once up to 16, do not add or do not subtract from it. Have it, our 16 hand bead. Watch the way you tie. I would like to remind you once again to tie carefully so as not to let the bead to loose. That's all for now. Join me next time where we can explore more on beads. Our next topic will be all about the head beads and the shoulder beads. So see you next time.